Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. Today we are going to understand the most important question from module 1 on the topic of voltage regulator. So the question is, a 5 voltage Zener diode has a maximum rated power dissipation of 500 megawatt. If the diode is to be used in a simple regulator circuit to supply a regulated 5 voltage to a load having a resistance of 500 ohm, determine a suitable value of series resistor operation in conjunction with a supply of 9 volt. So the values given in the question is the Zener voltage given is 5 volt, input voltage is 9 volt, load resistance equal to 500 ohm, and maximum Zener power equal to 500 megawatt, which we will convert it into 0.5 watt. So first we need to find out the series resistors. So first is maximum series resistors, which we need to find out. So the formula you need to remember is this is the formula you need to remember here. RL represent load resistor, V in represent input voltage, and VZ represent Zener voltage. So this you need to put all the values according to the. So load resistance value is 500, input voltage is 9, Zener voltage is 5 minus 1. So we will get by doing fraction operation here, you will be getting 4 by 5, 1. So you will be having 400 ohm is the answer. So next we need to find out minimum series resistance. So for this we have to apply the formula, that is V in Zener voltage minus Zener voltage square divided by maximum Zener power. You need to put the values of voltage input is 9, Zener voltage is 5 minus 5 square divided by 0.5. So after solving this we will get answer as 40 ohm. So minimum series resistance answer is 40 ohm. This is how you need to explain the given question and solve the problem. We need to find out the two series resistors, which is maximum series resistor and minimum series resistor. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.